What do you have? Oh, a baguette. Made out of what?
Bread.
It's bread, but is it real bread? No.
Yeah.
It's made out of Play-Doh.
Yeah.
Play-Doh. Are you gonna cut it?
Yeah.
Okay, cut it. How many pieces are you cutting?
8.
8? Can you count them for me?
Yeah.
Count. Good job cutting. Be careful you don't hurt your fingers. Good. Wow. Excellent. Can you count?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's count all these pieces. Count.
Make that one.
Oh, you want me to make another one?
Yeah.
Okay, but let's count these. 1.
1, 8, 1, 8, 1 is
Oh, wow. How many are there?
8.
How many?
8.
8?
Yeah.
That's a lot. Wow. Say bye.
Bye.